Renee here. Today I'm going to show you how to make baked corn tortilla chips. You'll see these are really easy, fast, quick, and healthy, good for you chips. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400. And then what I use is I'll show this to you up close, Food for Life sprouted corn tortillas. These are really great tortillas. If you're on a heart healthy diet, these are the way to go. You can also use these for your taco shells, tostado shells. You can do the tostado shells just the same way I'm going to do the chips, only leave them whole. So, and I will go ahead and give you a list of the ingredients just so you know what these are all about. And the Food for Life, it's the same company that does the Ezekiel breads. So if you've heard of those, same company. And these have no yeast, no added oil, and no baking powder. The ingredients: organic sprouted corn, filtered water, sea salt, and lime. That's it. So these are really good, especially if you're on a heart-healthy diet and you don't want extra oil or extra anything. These are the way to go. Okay, so what you do after you preheat your oven is you just cut your corn tortillas into diamonds. I've already cut these in half, so now all I'll do is cut them in nice little diamond shapes or triangles, or you can cut them really in any shape you want, but I found that cutting them first comes out a lot better than after. I tried it where I just baked the whole tortilla and then cut it up later, but this way they're already in the perfect tortilla chip shape. So that's all you do. Cut them up. Big, small, however you like them. Some small, some big. I do a variety of sizes. A bunch at a time. Cut down on time. Okay. Almost there. Then all I do is I don't spray the pan with oil. I don't put anything on it. They never stick, so just place them on a cookie sheet. Just kind of pile them in there. I just overlap them however they want to go. I just throw them on. You know, see, this is so easy. I mean, it just took me. It's a total of 5 minutes to prepare this. Spread them all out. All right, then I just sprinkle them. I sprinkle them before I bake them with just a little bit of sea salt, not too much, just a little sprinkling made. You know, they're made with a little sea salt, but this just adds a little bit salty flavor to them. And then I'll just take them and put them in the oven for 15 minutes. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So we'll let those bake, and I'll pop them out and I'll show you how yummy they are. Okay, so now my buzzer's going off. They're ready. I'm going to take them out of the oven. Yummy. Can you see that? They look all golden brown. Nice and crispy. Then all I do, boom, you're done. Roll, put them in a bag, however you like them. And that's it. That is all there is to it. Now, if you want to spice them up a little bit, You could put a little cayenne pepper, a little chili powder. Spice them up, make them like a, you know, a taco flavored chip. You know, we like them just plain like this. Dip them in salsa, guacamole, eat them by themselves. They're great, so. Really good. Good for you snack. So, you know, we looked everywhere for a chip that had no oil. You can get baked ones, but you can't get them without the oil. So, easy, quick alternative. Anybody can do it. I mean, as long as you know how to turn on your oven, which, you know, for Paul that was a challenge at first, but, you know, figure out how to turn on your oven, cut up the corn tortillas, put them in the oven, boom, done. Alright, till next time. Thanks.